Well, hello there. I'm Aldo, your web expert. So, you want to know how to add a channel to YouTube Kids so that your kids can watch newer content. This process needs to be done through the YouTube app on a phone or tablet. The first thing you want to do is open up your YouTube app. Then, search for the channel that you would like to add to YouTube Kids. You can search for the channel name, or if you know the channel handle, you can prefix the handle with the @sign. Once you get to the channel that you would like to add, you click the three dots in the upper right-hand corner. And then you're going to click the share button, and then with kids, and that's going to open up a menu and show you all the kids that you're managing in your account. Select the kid that you like best. Oh, sorry, that's a different tutorial. Select the kid that you would like to share with, and then click Done. Now the new channel has been added to YouTube Kids. I'll show you where to find it in the YouTube Kids app. One other thing that you have to keep in mind is if you have the YouTube Kids app open while you're adding the channel, you'll probably need to restart the YouTube Kids app. If you ever want to unshare the channel with YouTube Kids, go through the same process, and when you get to the list of kids you're managing, you can unshare. Once you go to the YouTube Kids app, you'll look for the icon that looks like an envelope, and it's actually flashing because it has new content. Click the envelope and you see the new channel with stars shining all around. It shows you the latest video with stars. If I had wings, I'd probably fly right into that light. That's how you share a new channel to YouTube Kids. I added a pause there by accident. I'm not calling you kids, I swear. Please like this video if it helped you out. Hope to see you around in the future. Bye for now.